Hello everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Today I am going to do the weekly reading for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Pisces. Okay, so I just want to let you know that these are the general readings, so each and every message may or may not be resonating with each and every one. So please take the messages wisely, and if the readings are resonating with you, then please let me know in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, and if you want any other topics, the readings on the other topics, then let me know in the comment section. I will do that also. And if you want any personal readings, then you can contact me. I will share my details in the description box. Okay, so now I will start with the readings for the Sun, Moon and Venus rising Pisces, the weekly 21st July to the 31st July. Okay, and at the end of the reading I will pull some advice card for you, and I will let you know some affirmations for this week. So what are the messages, what is going to happen with the Pisces in this week? Okay, what is the messages for the Pisces, Sun, Moon and Venus rising Pisces? King of Cups, Temperance in reverse and the Hangman. Okay, and bottom of the deck is the Six of Swords. Okay, so you might be getting any offer. Okay, the Knight of Cups shows us the offer. Some of you might getting the love proposal, marriage proposal. Okay, or might be you are going to propose someone, or you might going to offer someone your cup. You are might be looking for someone to be for your lifetime partner. Okay, and there is some healing energies are there. Okay, some healings and some hopes are required, but you are not this situation is not that much hopeful. Okay, you are not thinking that this is going to hopeful. Healing is required. Okay, healing is required. You are going to walk away from the negativity, toxicity, or that person might be going to walking away from the negativity, toxicity. Okay, going to the calmer water to get some relaxation, or there might be traveling for one land to other land, and the medium might be the water. Okay, the family is involved. I can see the family is involved here, but some of and the person is going to put all the burdens behind. Okay, and they are just choosing the family. That's why the healing is required. You have to open your heart chakra, you have to open your crown chakra, throat chakra. Okay, the Hangman, you are able to see all the things clearly. The divine is in your side. Okay, divine is doing their work for your situation. The Hangman. Okay, so you have to open your heart chakra. You are doing juggling in the two things. Okay, it might be career and your finance, it might be your personal life and your finance, your family and finance, or you might be doing two things together. Okay, so balance is required. See, these are the two cups and these are the two coins, but balance is not there. This is trying to get balance, and this is also trying to get balance. Okay, so you have to find the balance in between both of this. Okay, or some of you will get that balance because you are putting your burdens off, and you are going to the calmer water, you are going to the relax. Okay, so some of you, there are some family involved. I told you there is some juggling in your personal life and family life. Okay, and some of you are lefting something behind, okay, which is not serving you, which is not rational, okay, but still they are thinking their situation will get improved, or they are having any hope, okay, that's why they are walking away. See, two cards are here walking away, okay. I think because of the 5 of Pentacles, the card is 10 of Cups is reversed, okay. When you are able to walk away properly, then only your family will get happy. Whatever the things will be, it might be your career, it might be your personal life, it might be your financial things, it might be your two works or one work which is not serving you proper way, so you have to left it out, okay, then only your family also get happy, okay. But right now you have to do that, okay, then only you will celebrate the things with your family, with your friends, okay. Celebrations are there. You are focusing on your 2 of Cups, okay. Whatever happening, I told you, some of you have been had some loss regarding money, regarding job, regarding professional life, or regarding personal life. Someone has been left out in your code, or you have been left out from the person who is not serving you, okay, and now you are focusing on your love life, okay, and you are trying to balance that things, okay. So you just have to open your throat chakra, open your crown chakra, okay, and open your heart to give and receive, okay. The divine with you, divine is with you, okay. Very good. So I will pull some advice card for you. What is the advice for the Pisces for this week? What is the advice for you for this week? Okay, Archangel Uriel, become a peace ambassador. I hope you are able to see. Become a peace ambassador, Archangel Uriel, okay. So I told you, you have to go in the calmer water, you have to get relaxed, okay. Some of you will feel relax in your family, so go and spend some time with your family, because there is a family, kids, and some of you, this might be the couple, and there is one child over here, so you have to focus on your family. Right now you are not focusing on your family, okay. So be peaceful, be in a peaceful mindset, okay. Then only you are able to do all this thing, then only you are able to manage all the things, okay. Then only God will help you, okay. So become a peace ambassador, spread your peaceful vibration to everyone, then only your family will also get happy, okay. Don't juggle in the two of things, don't juggle, focus on something one, okay, which is going to serve you, and left out which is not serving you, okay. And the bottom of the deck is the intuitions, okay. Listen your inner wisdom, okay. Listen your inner wisdom, intuitions. So your intuitions are guiding you. I told you, you have to open your heart chakra, you have to open your throat chakra and crown chakra. So you will get the chakra healing music on the YouTube video or Google, anywhere. So you have to follow that and listen that chakra healing music, so that you will get the help to open up, okay, and you will find the balance in your life and your work life and family life, okay. Now I will pull some I will let you know the affirmations, okay. So the Archangel Uriel 38, which is number 2. So balance, see, balance, every in so many cards telling me that balance is needed, and you will find that balance, but you have to do some self work, okay, and go with inner wisdom, listen to your inner wisdom, okay, intuitions, okay. So the affirmation is Archangel Uriel. Archangel Uriel is the charge of angel of peace, and he works with the unicorns to spread the harmlessness and confidence. So be confident whatever you are offering the cups, okay, whatever you are going to offer somebody or anyone, so be confident in that. See, you are we are able to see that he is confident, okay, he is confident enough to offer someone his cup, okay. Picking this card guides you to bring the peace in your world. See, you have to bring the peace in yourself first, and then you can spread to everyone. So your affirmation is I spread peace today. You have to do the affirmation I spread peace today, and open your heart chakra, crown chakra and throat chakra. Do some the chakra healing, okay. And the other affirmation for the intuitions is unicorns guidance. Your unicorns guidance is to spend quiet time today so that you can tune into your inner wisdom. The answer you need are within you, and the unicorns will help you to assess them. So you have to do self work. I told you, you have to do some self work. You have to focus on yourself first, then only you can able to find that balance, okay. Your intuitions are guiding you, and in that thing your unicorns, the universe, the god is giving the blessings to assess them and come out of that energy, okay. So affirmation is it is safe to act with my intuitions. So don't doubt on your intuitions, okay. Don't doubt. Open your heart chakra, open your throat chakra and open your crown chakra, then only you can find the balance between the intuitions and yourself. So you will able to assess all the problems very neatly, okay. So your affirmation is it is safe to act with my intuitions, okay. Don't doubt your intuitions, okay. So this is your reading, and please, this was your reading, and please let me know in the comment section if the readings are resonating with you, okay. And please let me know in the comment section if you want any new topics, okay. I will do the readings for on the new topics also, okay. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.